Hello, my name is Nathaniel Jackson, and I'm going to be doing Lab 8 for CSE 130 algorithm design. In this case, we made a program that will sort a list read from a JSON file. Let's begin. So first I'll start with the empty list case. In this case, I get an error, and it's an assertion error that tells me that the list has no values. I get this error because I made an assert, which you can actually see right here, where it will flag and crash the program if the list is empty, which I could make it to where it would accept empty lists just by changing this 0 to like a -1. I just wanted to show that one of my asserts was working, and it kind of just depends on if we want to accept empty lists or not. Alternative for the next case, we have a list with one element, which will be it's pretty easy. It's one element, so it doesn't really even have to get sorted. Then we have languages, which is going to be a small list, which we can see here. It prints it all out in alphabetical order, according to Unicode. And then we have a medium-sized list called states. And you can see here that they are also in alphabetical order, things with A starting at the top and going down. Then we can go to our large list, which is, and you can see that this too is in alphabetical order now. There's no repeats. It works quite fast and smooth. That's my demonstration. Hope that's everything you need. Let me know how I did down below.